So, like I said, you're already different. Get it out there. Get in touch with it so you can take the power of that and make that part of your personal brand story. And I say this word story a lot. Story is a way to communicate. Sometimes in this world, we get a little hung up on the bottom line. We get a little hung up on the facts and figures. But when we start off, when we're kids, we don't, sit in a parent's lap and say, could you read me, an inventory report? It's like, could you read me this book? Could you read me this story? I want a beginning, a middle, and an end. I want a once upon a time. You're here tonight to mingle and network a little bit. That's part of why they do these things. You go up to someone you don't know. You say, hello, how you doing? Where are you from? Why is where you're from important? Someone here may be from New Jersey or England or whatever. Someone may have been born here in Atlanta. It doesn't really matter that much to what they're doing now, but it's context. It's a way of saying, how can I understand you? Why, you didn't just drop out of the sky. You have a beginning. And you're here now, so you've got a middle. So now I'm pretty comfortable thinking about, what does that project to towards the future? So even though you may not realize it, you do relate to each other in terms of story. If you've got things and skills and capabilities that you can communicate through anecdote and story, it's a way of kind of helping people who weren't there to experience have that sort of secondary, more interactive feel for that, and it's a lot better than saying, I swim real fast and I can, type 1,500 words a minute and fact. It's like, yeah, right, I don't know, what do I care? But I tell a story that, I was busy writing a story and I saw that someone was drowning in the lake and I ran out and I swam to them and I pulled them out of the water and I finished the story in time for the deadline. Now you know two things about me. I can type real fast and I can swim real fast. And you were engaged in it and there was drama and you kind of get a little bit more like, that must have been real because, it was an engaging story rather than, 3, 4, points on a resume or something like that. So try to find your stories that demonstrate something about who you are. And this is the question I want